Okay, guys, we have legendary keeper Marco here. Just say you are. And I'm gonna scramble both these in front of him. He's gonna do it. So, which one you want to start with first? Okay, so here, hold this. Okay.
I gotta have somebody hold the pole if I'm gonna do it myself. This guy can do it without.
So we'll just scramble it. Go. Yeah, let's see.
He started exactly at 30 seconds.
Let's see what he's got. So how long have you been doing Rubik's Cubes?
Since high school. Well, it started on the quarantine when I was really bored and I bought a Rubik's Cube. And then it took me like months to solve it. And then from then on I got the 2x2. And then I got the 3x3 and then I started getting a lot of them.
And then are you good with the, what you call it, the mirror cube?
Holographic one? No.
No, not how, it's like a 3x3 but with different size panels.
No. I haven't tried this. I want to though.
Oh my gosh, he's almost got it.
That was a fun background, man.
Just in the background, you have these too shaky and too soft. It's an engineer, the stuff like this is fascinating. Oh my gosh,
that was a minute and 8 seconds.
Oh, that's cool. Alright, ready for 2x2?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, got it.
Sorry, at minute 50.
I can't even solve these. Like, I can only do the first layer and then I'm done.
I think I messed it up.
Doesn't matter.
I messed it up.
You almost got it. Do you not solve the white side first? That's what I would do.
I'll just mix up something.
He just did a...
You guys do muscle ups.
You gotta get that momentum.
For real?
It's like,
I can't.
imagine the bar running at
What the hell?
I haven't flipped any of those corner pieces, so.
We're at a minute.
I can't do it.
Hey!
Oh, minute and 4.
Oh my gosh, you
You
solved them both. That's so cool. Thank you, Marco. What do you have to say?
I messed up twice.
Would you say it was still fun though, solving?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Well, thank you. That was fun. Let me know when you say something.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so we are gonna have my friend Oscar here, who's another keeper. Point at Oscar. Say hi, Oscar. And we're gonna see if he can solve both of these just like my pal Marco. Remember, you gotta be a minute and 8 and minute and 4, okay? They're already scrambled, so which one you wanna do first? 2x2 or 3x3?
So 2x2 first.
Okay. So we'll look at the timestamps after, but for now, you count them off with 3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1.
Cubing it fascinates me because it's something I just have yet to master. Two by two is weird though. Yeah, you still say the 3x3 is easier, don't you?
Yeah, for me.
Got it. That's the first layer. That same, literally that same exact coordination of moves happened to Marco.
Yeah.
Having deja vu.
Yeah, I'm not really good at
It's okay.
I'm not gonna beat the times on it.
I can tell you this: if you can solve it, I will just be impressed with that alone. Because I can't solve crap unless I have one of those cube solvers on the phone.
I didn't even know that was a thing.
Yeah, you can get it for free, and you can get 2 free tries until they make you pay for it. It's 2 free tries every day.
How do you solve it?
You just scan it. You almost got it, Oscar. No, it was still a great shock to me when I learned that you knew how to solve these. I was like, what? No way.
That was a shock.
I don't know many people that can solve Rubik's Cubes. The only people I knew that could do it were people that just got their phone and solved it. You almost got it, Oscar.
I didn't really expect it.
It's okay. You can redeem yourself on 3 by 3. Just solve it.
Yeah. I think I will redeem myself. Unless I can get it.
It's all good.
Nah,
Okay. Oscar got. We will look at time. I will put the timestamp as a subtitle in the video. So Oscar, that one was a little tough for you. But here's goodness. You got the 3 by 3. This is your baby. So you ready? All right. Do the countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Can't believe you managed to solve it. You couldn't solve this for anything. Oh, you already got the first layer solved. What the? Oh my gosh. He's almost done. He's almost done the layer. Oh my gosh. Wow, I see, you really redeemed yourself. Wow, he solved that good. I don't know if you saw my face throughout the video, but I was like, wait, he's already done the first way. He's got the second way, what the?
I'm telling you, 2 by 2 is not my strong
Specialty.
suit, yeah.
Okay, well, we got the snowman here. You enjoyed that?
Yeah, that was pretty good. I mean, I don't know, I feel like I messed up too many times on the set.
Don't worry, you can have a redemption arc with this one sometime. Otherwise, that's it. Thanks for joining.
I have something for you.
Got it.
Okay, so this is my buddy Oscar's. He's the one filming. We're gonna see if someone who can't solve cubes for anything can just solve this. So, pyramid, let's do this. So, let's see. Okay, and the way, real quick, just to make sure, the way these work, like you solve it layer by layer, right?
To be honest, don't know the way. I just fiddle with it until I solve it.
Okay.
I'm actually pretty slow with that one as well.
Okay, here's the first layer.
Actually, the first thing you want is like fill up the whole colors, like one color.
Oh, okay,
scheme.
okay.
So like basically, yeah, one layer, yeah, like the
Okay.
bottom
Or
layer of the
one
pyramid.
side, one-sided.
One side, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Here's red.
Yeah, like you would want all the
This.
red pieces or like all the blue pieces or all the yellow pieces to line up.
Okay, there's red. I got red. There's that. Oh wow, I'm actually super close. What's up? Hey, what's this? Oh my gosh, that was one of my calculus runs. Let's see. Hold on. I'm so close. Hold up. Oh my gosh. Hold up.
Can you get it? Let's see. You're 2 pieces away, or 1 piece technically away from it. Save.
Oh my gosh, I'm so close. I literally have just 1 color. Hold on. I think you go. Okay.
Okay.
And then. Oh man, am I right? Okay, hold on. Not quite yet. Hold up.
Was that it? Oh no, I thought that was it because I just saw.
No, I have green, and man, I have only green right now. Hold on. I'm literally. Hold on. No, dude, I'm so close. Hold on. Maybe I just need to. Don't worry, we won't be late for class. Yeah, we're doing this before
I know that.
circuits class. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I'm so close. Why can't I do this? Ah! Hold on. Okay, hold on. Let me put it back like where. Okay, I got this piece right here. Okay, hold on. Let me put it like that. All right, I have green. I just have that. Hold on. There's gotta be some way. I'm literally. I'm telling you, I'm just missing like one step.
Yeah.
This is embarrassing.
I don't know what you're doing now, Josh. You got it.
Okay, I had the whole layer, but then like I messed it up. Hold on. Got the centers. Nuclear symbols. Hold on. First, I need to switch these. So hold on. Oh wait, whoops! I almost broke it. No. I don't understand this thing at all.
Try to build up the first layer again.
Yeah, well now I'm going on like 30 minutes. I know it's not 30 minutes, legit.
Close.
It's
I'm
close.
just kidding. It's about to be 10. You're at 9.
Later, cap it off right here, and we'll do it mostly because I think I'll actually run out of storage.
You want me to end it? Or?
Yeah, because I think I'll run out of storage.
Oh my gosh, I don't know how, I was literally just doing it after algorithm. I actually solved it. Oh my gosh, I don't know how I did it actually. I now need to do it again, but I actually somehow solved it. I solved this last layer, or the first layer, okay? What you call it? The big one. This one. And then I was just putting all the pieces back together. I was putting all the pieces back and then I solved it. So I actually somehow solved it. Now I just gotta get it down and make sure I can keep doing it.